Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, the baby Einstein Sesame Street fan 2008 here. And today is Neighbor Animals' 24th anniversary, so which means today we're doing the Neighbor Animals comparison. So here we go. First up is I don't have FPG yet, but so we're going to start with the early 2002 DVD. Anyways, here's the front spine and the back right here. This is I actually have two, but yeah. And here's the disc. No parasite. They actually have different colors, and here's another one. But this is, I think, mid 2002, I believe, because it's lighter. It's like a lighter shade. It's more like a shamrock color, yeah. Shamrock color, yeah. Anyways, here we have the Neighbor Animals late 2002 DVD. Anyways, here we have the front spine. Okay, sorry. And here's the back. Here we have this, the booklet, and the parasite. Okay. Anyways, here's the parasite. Here's the front and the back right here. Here's this part of it. Here's the upper part right here, as you can see right here. And there is a coloring book stored in the PDF file, and it does have the same print dates to early 2002 DVD. I checked it, so yeah. But yeah. Okay, so that's the late 2002 DVD. Now here we have the early 2004 DVD of it. Here's the front spine and the back right here. Here's the 2003 booklet and parasite. I'll show you guys the parasite. Okay, here's the parasite. Here's the front and the back right here. Okay, here we have the left side the inside and the right side the inside. Sorry, the sun's in the way right now. I'd like to get the sun as quickly as I can right now, but yeah. Okay, there's that. Now here we have the name round was late 2004 DVD. Anyways, here we have the front spine and the back right here. Oh, that was okay. Here. Okay, anyways, here we have this the early 2005 booklet and the parasite. I'll show you the parasite, of course, like I always do in my comparisons. Okay, just a second. Okay, there we go. Here's the parasite. Here's the front and the back right here. Here's the left side and the inside and the right side and the inside. And again, the sun is in the way right now, so I can't really get a good look right now. So unfortunately, we cannot get a perfect view right now, but yeah, just making sure. Okay, here we have the Canadian version of the late 2004 DVD. Anyways, here we have the front spine and the back right here. Here we have this and the same parasite, which I'm not showing. And last but not least is the Neighbor Animals 2007 DVD. Anyways, here we have the front spine and the back right here. Here we have this and the parasite. So that is officially it, guys, for the Neighbor Animals' comparison here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So give a like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, see ya. Bye.